Hi, Narelle here from Simply Scrapping, and I know I've been absent for a little while, but I just got a new delivery and I've rejoined the Kitaholic Kits Club. It's a monthly subscription in Australia. It comes from Queensland, and I used to be in it quite some time ago and then I stopped, and I recently rejoined because I felt like I was going stale in the products that I have to use, and I kept seeing the same things all the time, and I have quite an extensive stash and I am trying to use it up, but I felt like I was sick of seeing the same stuff all the time, so I felt like I needed to interject some new. So that's why I joined Kitaholic Kits again. I will have the website in the description box below, but I got this morning and this is the December kit, so I thought I would do a bit of an unboxing. So here we go. Being Christmas time, we got this cute little gift of some candy canes and a little Santa. Very sweet. And I got the normal kit plus the mixed media kit because I do want to get into mixed media a lot more. So I know these are the mixed media kit. This wonderful stencil from Tim Holtz. It is a layering stencil apparently. I'm not sure what the name of it is. Markings it's called, so that's quite cool. And then we got 3 distress spritzers, that's hard to say, in the mixed media kit as well. Saltwater taffy, and I have no spritzers, so I'm really happy these were included. These are cool. I gave all my spritzers away before I moved about 7 years ago, so and I haven't rebought any. And I think I need some, so I'm really pleased that these are included. Tumbled glass, a beautiful blue, that's so pretty. And then the third one is antique linen, and they are shimmery, so very nice. Well, they got like a sheen to them. Cool. So that's the mixed media kit. That is add on to the general kit. Let me just move these out of the way so I do not knock them over. And now the rest of it is what's in the normal kit. So we have some chipboard stars and an acrylic arrow and an acrylic little heart. Corbett Creations wood veneers, very cool. Some acrylic love hearts, very nice, again from Corbett Creations. So any suppliers like this, like a little manufacturer or creator, I'll try and list their details below. I'll put the Facebook page of Corbett Creations, so if you want to check out what else they have, you can jump across and have a look. We got some doilies. You can never have too many doilies. A couple of doilies, I can't separate them. Some Kaisercraft number sticker sheet in gold, very, very handy. That's metallic gold. And then I'll do the paper pad last. I'll do this little envelope first, or little packet, a cute little striped packet with lots of goodies in here. Ooh. Alright. So we've got some gold star brads. Very nice. A gold doily. I see a theme because this paper has gold foil in it. A sticker sheet of gold hearts, triangles and arrows. Very nice. They're sparkly. Oh, some sequins. I need sequins. Some gold and blue sequins of various sizes and some gold stars in there. Very nice. Oh, there's teeny weeny little blue stars in there. Some white pom-pom trim. That's cool. And some black shimmer sparkly, what am I trying to say? You know what I'm trying to say. Cardstock. Black shimmer cardstock. Very nice. So that is what's in that little bag. Alright, oh, hang on, wait, I missed a few. There's 4 gold star brads, I missed 2. And then I also missed this little love heart paper clip. That's really cool. Alright, so we have a embellishment pack here. Lots of little goodies. This is really good value for money. Alright, we have a Nuvo glitter marker in lemon drizzle. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, nice. Oh, that's going to open up a rabbit hole because I think I'm going to need every colour. Oh, that is really cool. I like that. Then we have a box of Vicky Bouton Print Shop chipboard shapes in black and white. So there's stars, hearts, circles, some tabs, speech bubble, tags, some cool little embellishments and different ephemera. That's way cool. We have Charmed Chronicles. This is from Bo Bunny because that is what the paper is, and it's the ephemera pack. So lots of great ephemera in there. It's quite heavy, there's a lot in there. And in here we have frames and hearts and stars and keys and feathers and butterflies, ampersand, some tags, a bike of feathers, lots of cool ephemera in there. And we have a packet of Maggie Holmes Forever Fields stickers, 8 sheets of stickers in this. These are cool. Oh, the squirrel and the fox and the rabbit, lots of words, some mushrooms, a strawberry, lots of flowers, and a mini alphabet, and tabs and photo corners, tags, lots of little words, and some black and white stickers, some washi strips, some tickets, lots of little icons, cameras. They're cool. You never have too many cameras. They're like an all-purpose embellishment, go with everything. And then some bees and butterflies, paisleys I think they are. Yeah, very cool. So I look forward to using them. And then the paper pack. And let me just move the box out of the way so we can have a look at the paper pack. So there's 24 sheets in this paper pack. That is not going to come off so easy. Okay, so I'll do it this way, otherwise it's not going to fit. So, oh, hang on. I'm going to try this way, see how we go. Hopefully that's not in the way. Let me have a look. No, you can see that good enough, I think. So we have black and gold, basically, and grey, and similar icons that were in the ephemera pack, which makes sense. There's tags and butterflies and stars and the leaf, and some lovely strips and lots of tags, label spots. Alright, and then we've got a beautiful alphabet. We have gold, and the black the black has got gold speckles on it. So I don't know if the camera is picking that up. I'll try and you see down here it's got the gold fleck on it. Very nice. 2 sheets. Oh, that's handy. And then this beautiful black paper with the gold foiling on it. It's like circles and intertwined circles, I guess. Best way to describe that. A lovely, like a matte gold with a gold foiling check on it. Whoa, big bold gold foil circles. Gold fans, very Art Deco, that one. White background with the gold foil fans. That screams Art Deco to me. Some white with black and grey butterflies. Oh, so not, oh, I love that one. Again, the matte gold stripes, diagonal stripes. black with a white fern, grey with the interlocking circles, and they're like they look slightly purple, those circles. I think they're like a grey, but it's that grey that looks purple. It's like a deeper grey in the background, but it's on the hint, it's got purple in it. A lovely stripe, the black, grey, and it's like a mustard colour, I guess, stripe. Very nice. And they all have like what's the word, like splotches on them to make it look distressed. That's the word, like that distressed type look. Lovely big ferns. What's it called, ledger paper, in the mustardy colour. That's cool, very versatile, that type of paper. Black and grey check, looks like be good if you've got anyone that does any sort of racing, bike, BMX, that sort of thing. I could use that on my pages I like to do on, I haven't done yet, but I have the photos on the Bathurst race, the V8 supercars, so that'll look cool on that type of page. Stars, black stars on a cream, and lots of tags and yeah, tucking pieces or journaling spots. Cool. A marble type, it looks like yeah, marble type look, so that's very cool. And then I think the rest are like meant to be like a cardstock, so you can use these as your base and the pattern papers to create the page. I like to use these just as your normal like plain papers in a layout, not necessarily as the base page, but the options are there. So you've got the mustard colour, and it's got a very light distressing on it, a black or very, very dark grey. Then you've got the light grey with a darker grey and white distressing on it, a dark grey, a lighter grey with the same sort of distressing on it, a small black check, a small grey check. Wow, that's cool. And then on the back you can see all the papers that are in there. So they're calling these ones from the marble one on, they're actually calling them cardstock sheets. You've got your 10 patterned papers, your 4 specialty papers with the foiling on them, and then your 288 stickers made up of 2 sheets of the alphabet and 1 of the icons. So there you have it. That is this month's Kitaholic Kits kit. And I'm really happy with it. I love it. I'm so happy that I joined again. So I can't wait to get playing with this. And like I said, I needed something to spark my creativity back, because I felt a little bit stale. And this over here is the mixed media kit, which is an add-on. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have, give it the thumbs up, like and subscribe, and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And yeah, I'm going to play with this really soon, I think. So stay tuned and watch for a layout using some of these items. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.